Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Logitech G Hub and selecting your G Pro Superlight. This is essential because the software writes DPI settings to the mouse. Once G Hub recognizes the device, check firmware and update if required, then navigate to the Sensitivity or DPI tab. Make sure you have a profile selected or create one, because changes apply per profile. Now you're ready to change values. Do not disconnect the mouse while the software saves settings, since that can interrupt the write process. Next, focus on the DPI stages. You can configure 2 to 5 increments for on-the-fly switching. Click a stage, then type the exact DPI number or drag the slider. Typing ensures precision when you need 400 or 800 DPI. Once set, optionally assign a color or icon so you visually confirm the active stage. Make sure to save the profile in G Hub. Once saved, the mouse stores the settings to onboard memory if supported, which keeps your configuration across systems. Finally, save the profile and test the sensitivity in a game or on the desktop to confirm cursor movement matches expectations. Use the dedicated DPI button to cycle through stages and observe the indicator color or the G Hub readout. If changes do not apply, reflash firmware or reinstall G Hub and try a different USB port. Make sure no other input software conflicts. If the mouse still won't accept settings, try resetting to defaults in G Hub before reapplying your DPI value.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.